Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about trigonometry. The topic that is about we need to find the solution of cosine s squared and tan s squared. Then we need to prove about this equation. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Cosine s squared plus sine s squared equals to number 1. We want to find about cosine s squared, so I will put this one go to the right. And we have 1 minus sine s squared. And we have 1 minus 2 over 5, everything to the power of 2. So this one we have 21 over 25. The next one, that is about tan s squared. That is about sine s, everything to the power of 2 over cosine s squared. So sine s we have 2 over 5. Cosine s squared we have 21 over 25. So we calculate about this one. And we have 4 over 21. Now let's go to the second one. So we have the formula in here. Sine 2x equals to 2 sine 8 cosine 8. So cosine 2x we keep the same sine for x. That is about sine of number 2 multiplied by 2x. And this one we transform into this one, and we have 2 sine 2x cosine 2x. And this one we have 1 over 2 sine 2x. And we have 1 over 2 cosecant of 2x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.